Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Secrets Manager rotation for databases step by step. To enable AWS Secrets Manager rotation for databases, start by logging into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Secrets Manager service. Select Secrets from the left-hand menu. Click on the secret that you want to enable rotation for. On the Secret Details page, find the Rotation Configurations section. Click on the Edit Rotation button. In the Rotation Configuration settings, toggle the option to enable rotation. Choose the frequency for rotation from the provided options. If you want a custom rotation schedule, adjust the settings accordingly. Next, select the Lambda function that will handle the rotation. If you haven't created a Lambda function yet, click on Create a new Lambda function. Follow the prompts to set up the Lambda function specifically for database rotation. Once your Lambda function is ready, return to the Secrets Manager. Ensure the correct Lambda function is selected in the rotation configuration settings. Define the rotation schedule based on your organization's security policy. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click on the Save button to apply the rotation settings. Your secret is now configured for automatic rotation according to your specified settings. Monitor the rotation process using AWS CloudWatch logs. Ensure that the application or service using the secret can handle the updated credentials during rotation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.